So, about a week ago, I decided to try out Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform that gives you instant access to thousands of video courses, including projects, tools, and a community of like-minded learners. In this video, I will be giving a comprehensive and honest review of Skillshare.
So I've been using Skillshare pretty much every day this week. I've been trying to absorb as much content as possible before I make the decision on whether or not I want to make Skillshare my primary online learning platform. To make my decision on whether or not I want to stay with Skillshare, I have my pros and I have my cons. The first pro is that they have a wide variety of high quality creative content. So I'm a beginner YouTuber and Skillshare has been very helpful with the content that it offers. I've taken courses about editing, lighting, messing around with Adobe Lightroom because I'm also interested in things such as like photography and graphic design. So I really do like Skillshare because I can go on there and find really great content, like great high quality content on there. I don't have to sit through ads like I have to do with YouTube. So I do appreciate that part about it. But even if you're not interested in the artistic or techie kind of stuff, they have other videos out there for you. They also have business courses, self-help courses, personal development courses. So they have a lot out there for almost everybody, I would say. So my second pro is that it's easy to use and to navigate. So what I like is that you can search up whatever skill you want and bam, there's a plethora of different courses that are there to teach you exactly what you need to know. You can filter the class level from beginner to intermediate to advanced. I also like how you can pick how long you want your course to be. If you want it to be 30 minutes to maybe more than an hour, they have different kinds of videos for every kind of skill. Personally, I enjoy courses that are longer because I feel like they include more information compared to the ones that are shorter, maybe 20 minutes long. I feel like the courses that are 2 hours, 3 hours long, I can really get all the information that I need from that one course. Okay, my third pro is that they have a mobile app that you can download the videos and watch them as well when you don't have any internet access. And then the second thing I like is that you can put the app in the background and open up a second app. So for me, I open up Notion and that's where I type my notes for each of my courses that I'm taking so that, because you can watch videos and hear all this information, but I feel like you get the most bang for your buck if you're actually gonna take notes so that you can refer back to those notes as well. All right, and if you're still watching, please like this video and comment and let me know what kind of skills would you guys be interested in learning on Skillshare. So are you interested in like photography, YouTube, editing? Like, let me know because I'm kind of interested to see what everybody is like, what their hobbies are. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the cons. And my first con with Skillshare is the price. I don't understand why they have to charge $19 a month for the subscription fee. And although I really do like the content, $19 is a little steep for me. If you keep paying that monthly price, the monthly subscription price for a whole year, it comes out to about $192. That for me is really expensive. So I recommend if you're going to do Skillshare for about a year, then just go ahead and get the yearly subscription for $100, or it's actually 99 bucks. $1 difference. Anyways, I would say just get the yearly subscription. But my thing with that is there enough material on there to keep you interested for a whole year? Now, I think if you're the type of person that likes to learn new skills, change their hobbies often, then that might be a good idea for you. But if you're not, then I don't know how much you're gonna get out of the content for a whole year. All right, guys, and my final con with Skillshare is the fact that I feel like some of the extras that they offer on their site could use a major overhaul. So they have this thing called groups, which is supposed to be a kind of forum discussion kind of thing where there's different groups you can join based off of the things that you like. And I just feel like it's lacking. There's not that many groups. 2, people don't post in them for some odd reason. A lot of them haven't been posted in like a year or so. and there isn't a way to search directly inside of a group to find specific things that you're looking for. You kind of just have to scroll through, kind of like you're on Instagram, but it just doesn't work for this website. It is not enjoyable at all. So that is probably a thumbs down for me. And they have this second thing called workshops, where it's kind of like a guided course with your teacher. Actually, there's set dates where you can join the course. My problem with workshops is the fact that most of the content is posted by one creator, and I just think that that's ridiculous, because you have a website with a bunch of teachers on there, but there's only one person posting workshops. I don't understand. So yeah, that's how I feel about their extras on their website. I could care less for it, to be honest. And due to the fact that that's an additional part of what they're offering on their website, I just feel like they really should beef that section up. Alright, so my final thoughts on Skillshare. Do I recommend it or not? And I would say I recommend it for maybe 2 to 3 months. So that way you're only going to be shelling out up to $60 on a premium subscription. I say that because I feel like there's not enough content or extras on the website to keep you interested for a long amount of time. I think when you're trying to learn a skill immediately and you want to get those basics down, I think it's a great place to start. But if you want to kind of expand and learn new things, I think YouTube is definitely sufficient enough to do that for you. So I don't think you need to get the yearly subscription unless you have a wide, broad range of skills that you are trying to obtain in the next year. But yeah, that is my final take on Skillshare and what I think about it so far. So if you guys like this video, then please comment, let me know, like the video for the algorithm, you know, trying to get better there. So yes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.